it kind of fills your cup to see that there are people working towards the same thing that you are. It's one of my favorite parts of the year.
It's a very inspiring event to be able to come here and see the work that is being done.
The Stewardship Network has truly created a safe space to have the right conversations about inclusion, about getting people outdoors, about working in challenging situations.
I just feel so comfortable here. There's just an authenticity about the space and the people who are here that is really refreshing. I think it's the safety that for me personally helps to recharge my batteries.
A great opportunity. It's such a small industry. Collaborating is very, gives me a lot of momentum going back to the work that I do.
What is helpful is to know that there are others who are also going through it, and we have shoulders at the yoke, and we're going to pull.
So I'm just thrilled to be able to come in person and experience the energy at this event in person. Hopefully we'll be able to send more of our staff next year.
It brings maybe a broader perspective to all of the things that are going on for conservation, for farming practices, for improving relations across different groups. That to me is energizing, because in the day-to-day you don't see all of the action that's taking place.
It's just refreshing and kind of puts me back up to here where I'm like, okay, I can keep doing this.
The topics are rigorous, but the people are here to have fun, and so I think that really comes through also. I think the Stewardship Network Conference is for everyone, and if they get a chance, they should come out and they should see what it's all about, because it's a wonderful experience, and I think they're really going to enjoy it.